So let's begin with walls. I'm going to select all the exterior walls first, and then I'm going to find a wall style that would work for this particular project. And I'm going to type in stud 4, and I'm going to bring in this 4-inch stud wall. So I'm going to apply that to my current selection, and then I'm going to also adjust my wall justify to be on the baseline. Make sure that my wall is sitting in the right spot. And then for this interior wall, I also want to make it this particular interior stud wall. So I'm going to apply that to my selection. And so my wall is now having all the different material or layers that is needed. Now for windows and doors, it would be nicer if we could see those in 3D. So I'm going to go to a 3D view here, and you can see that the material is showing up for the wall and it's kind of distracting. So I'm going to hide those hatching for a hot second. Now let's begin with the windows. So this front window here, I want this to be double hung. So I'm going to go into the style browser, go down to Windows, and then I'm going to type double hung. Apply that to my selection. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to also turn this inside out. And then for this back window here, I want this to be awning. So this right here, apply. And I'm going to also flip this out. And then for the front doors here, and then I'm going to find a door style that I think would look a little nicer. So here's that one. I'm going to apply to my selection. Boom. So far, so good. Now, all I need to do is to fix the roof now. So I need to find a roof style. So let's go in realistic so we can see what's happening, right? So we're going to find a nice roof style. So let's go down to roof slab, and I'm going to pick one of these ones here. So I'm going to work with this one. So I'm going to import that and convert, erase, boodooms. This is what we have for that particular roof. And we could also do something with the floor as well. I believe we have some floor slabs in here that we could pick. So let me see. All right, let's pick this one. So I'm going to import this style here. Then I'll pick this slab and swap it out. And this is your building. Yeah, how cool is that? Perspective. Could go inside. We could go back to wireframe. And if I turn the hatching back on, you can see all of the material hatching showing up there for the different parts of the building. And so that is how you could apply additional details or develop your model, make it a little bit more accurate or constructible. How about that?